this question number 5 because last time we did till question number 4. This Venn diagram we have to complete here. And for the Venn diagram, first of all, these sets are given. You know, the symbol is used for the universal set. This is the universal set, and the members of the universal set are starting from 41 till 50, including 41 and 50. So you can write them in detail. Mean will be 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Now, you know, in the Venn diagram, all other sets are always a subset of these given sets. For example, this ABC will must be taken from this universal set because this is their parent set or universal set. So all other sets are taken from these. So it's given the elements of A are odd numbers, but it doesn't mean that you can take any odd number. You must have to choose the odd numbers from this set because it is a Venn diagram, and in the Venn diagram, all the given will be from the. Uh, so what you have to do, let's write this set also. Odd number, which numbers are odd from this one will be 41, 43, 45, 47, 49. These are the elements of set A. Then B, set B is saying X is a multiple. X is the multiple of 3. Now from these given numbers, which numbers are multiple of 3? Multiple of 3 are is 42 multiple of 3? Yes, 42 is multiple of 3 because you if you divide 42 by 3, so it can be divided, so it's multiple of 3. Then 45 is multiple of 3. Sorry,
And 48.
48 also is there. I should write 48 too. 48 is also multiple of 3. Again, I'm repeating, don't take any other multiple. You must have to choose from the universal set. Now see prime numbers, the numbers which are divisible by itself only. So which 41 is a prime number? Yes, because no other number divided. 43 is a prime number. Then 47 is a prime number. So these are the prime numbers. So now the set we write already in the form, that will be easy for us to complete the Venn diagram. Now when you complete the Venn diagram, first always these are 3 sets. I recommended you always first go for the common portion. Now there are 3 sets, so intersection of all these 3 sets mean the first write those elements which are appearing in all sets. So which is appearing in all sets? That is, there is no such number which is appearing in all. Yes. Any number which is appearing in all? Yes. 47. No, but 47 is not here. 43 is here and here, but not here. 41 is in these two, but not here. So it means in this region, no set we will write. Okay. Then go for the A intersection B. The elements which are common in A and B. These elements are common in A and B. Is there any element common? Yes, 45 is common in A and B. So you will write it in this common region, but make sure don't write here because if you will write here, it will be for all 3. So 45 is in both of these. Any other element which is in both of these? Okay. Any common element in A and C? If you compare A and C, 41 is common in them and 43 is common in them. It means you can write 41 and 43. And then common in B and C. Common in B and C, which elements are common in B and C? Do we have any?
Nothing.
Nothing. So it means this area will also be empty. After that, now I have to write in this region. The elements that you write already from A, don't write them other elements. 41 we write, 43 we write, 45. So remaining is 47 and 49 that we write. Now elements of B, which element of B we write already? 45 we write. The remaining 42 and 48 we will write here. Now, after that, the elements of C. The element of C, 41 we write, remaining is 43 and 47. No, 43 also we write even. So remaining is 47 only. So 47 you will write. Oh, sorry. 47 is also common in A and C. We were going to do a mistake. You can see 47 is also common between A and C. 41, 43, 47. So 47 will also be here. It means we write all the elements of C already. Now, if any other element left from this one, that you will write outside of these sets. Okay, which element will be 41 we write? Yes, 41 we write. 42, did we write? Yes, 42 we write. 43 we write. 44 we did not write till now. So 44 will be out of it. 45 we write. 46 we did not write. So it will be out of these sets. 47 we write. 48 we didn't, we write already. 49. 49 we write already in set A, and then 50. So we completed the Venn diagram. Okay. And then question is saying list the elements of A intersection C. In A intersection C, if you see which elements are coming, the common in A and C, this was 41, sorry, this is 41, okay, 41, 43, and 47. B union C whole complement. Now B union C whole complement mean which are outside of B and C, completely outside of B and C. So that will be these elements 49, 50, 46, 44. Because you know, if you will shade this region, shading the region, it will be just like this one. Okay. If this is B, this is C, and this one is A. So if I will shade this region, what will happen? B union C is this region. Outside the B union C is all that, everything outside B and C. So outside element, because it is whole complement. So when it is B union C whole complement, so outside elements are 44, 46, and 50. These are the outside elements that we write. And then find the number of elements in A intersection B intersection C. Do we have any elements in the common region for all three? There is no element
Yeah,
here.
but we also shade A already, yes?
Yeah, but when we are taking B union C whole complement, we are talking about B union C whole complement. Got it or not?
Yes, sir. It means that you will shed all the other region except B and C. But why you did not include also the elements in A, set A?
Yes, 49, sorry. 49 should also be there. Thank you. Because it should be outside B union C. So 49 also should be there. Thank you. And then number of elements in A intersection B intersection C. This is the region which is A intersection B intersection C. Do we have any element here? No. So it means 0 elements are in this region. Because N is outside, mean number of elements. It's not, if you are asked the set is empty. But right now is N outside mean number of elements. So number of elements are 0. Now next one is Rahim makes baskets and mats. Each week he makes X baskets and Y mats. Making X baskets and Y mats. He makes fewer than 10 mats. Mean less than 10 mats. The letter for the mat is Y. It means he is making less than 10 mats. Yes. The number of mats he makes is greater than or equal to the number of baskets he makes. Number of mats is greater than or equal to. Mats are Y, baskets are X. So mats are greater than or can be equal to X. This is an inequality. One of the inequality shows this information, Y less than 10. Actually, this one is for Y less than 10 because he is making fewer than 10, less than 10 mats. So this is the inequality given. Write down the other inequality. This is the other inequality that we write already. y greater equal to x. Okay. He takes 2 quarter hours to make a basket and 1.5 hours to make a mat. Okay, time for one mat. If he will make for one basket, the time is 2 quarter. 2 quarter mean you can say 2.5. Sorry, 2.25 hours. And time for one mat is 1.5 in 1.5 hours. Each week he works for a maximum of 22.5 hours. Show that 3x plus 2y will be less equal to 30. First of all, for one basket, the time taken is 2.25 hours. And how many baskets he is making? X baskets. So then the time for X baskets will be what? It will be, look, for 1, 2.25. For 2, 2 multiply 2.25. For X, it will be X multiply 2.25. Yes, mean you can say X into 2.25. And in the same way, for one mat, the time taken is 1.5 hours. And he is making Y mats. So time for Y mats will be how much? It will be Y multiply 1.5 hours. This is the time. And the maximum time, you know, when we use the word maximum, it means we use the symbol less equal to. So if we take the total time, what will be the total time? Total time will be 2.25 x plus 1.5 y. It should must be less equal to 22.5 because it is given. How you will take the total time? Time to make the baskets, time to make the mats. If you will add them, it should must be less equal to 22.5. Now the question is saying you have to prove this inequality. Now how I can make 3x here? First, I will take common 2.25 because I have to make 3x. So to make the 3x, what I will do, I will take the common 2.25. Okay, going to take the common 2.25. Then here will be left only x plus, and here will be 1.5 over 2.25 y less equal to 22.5. Take 2.25 to the other side. It will be x plus 1.5 over 2.25. What it will be? It's giving to us 0.0. I'll let it be in this same form. Doesn't matter. Less equal to 22.5 over 2.25. And then I have to make 3x. So to make 3x, now I will multiply everything with 3. Okay. So multiply this with 3, this with 3, this with 3. It will become 3x plus 3. Oh, sorry, here should be y also. Multiply 1.5 over 2.25 less equal to 3 into 22.5 over 2.25. Now you can simplify 3x. This here should be y also. Plus, now check it. 3 into 1.5 divided by 2.25.
We get 2, and then
This is
yeah,
2.
this will be 2, and the
Okay,
other value is 27.
27.
Yes.
It should be 30 as per the question. Let's count carefully. Divided by 2.25. It's with my calculator coming 30. Check carefully.
Yes, sir, it's 30.
Yes, 30. So this
Yes, it's
was
30.
required to prove. So we proved it. 30. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then next we have, that was the requirement that is complete now. Now we have to draw the inequalities. On the grid, draw the 3 straight lines and shade the unwanted region to show these inequalities. We have 3 inequalities. Inequality number 1 was y less than 10. Second inequality, this was number 1. Second was y greater equal to x. This is the second inequality. And the third inequality right now we make 3x plus 2y is less equal to 30. We have to draw them. Okay, first step, you know the method already how to draw an inequality. To draw an inequality, I will make the equation first for this one. For example, for this one, what the equation will be? Equation will be y is equal to 10. For any inequality, when you have to draw, we write the equation, and the method to write the equation is just remove the less than or greater than sign. So y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10. I will just draw the line y is equal to 10. Now, where is the line y is equal to 10? It's here, passing through y equal to 10. And it is just, you can see, it is just less than, so the line should be dotted line. So let me draw the line. This is the line, and I will make it dotted line. Why I must have to make it dotted line? Because the inequality is less than, so it should be the dotted one. All right, so this is y is equal to 10. For basically for y less than 10, you can write even y less than 10, doesn't matter, because we now showed it also. The second one is y greater equal to x. If you will write the equation for this one, equation will be y is equal to x, and you know this y is equal to x passes through 0, 0, and it's like this one with the gradient 1. Gradient 1 mean 1 over 1. Mean for every change in one change in x, there will be one change in y. So will be like this one. For example, 1x, 1y, first point, then 1x, 1y, second point, 1x, 1y. After this one, automatically the trend will become and your line will perfectly be through 0, 0 with a gradient 1. If you will take it even a little bit here, you will see it will not be accurate line. So we draw this one. Okay, this is a line y, and as this is inequality greater equal to, so clearly you can make it y greater equal to x. We will shade also. For the third one, which has the two variable, what do we do for the two variable? First we put x is equal to 0. I will write the corresponding equation. Equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 30. Now what I need to do, I will find the x intercept first, put y is equal to 0. Putting y is equal to 0 will be 3x plus 2 into 0 equal to 30. So 3x will be equal to 30 over x will be 30 over 3. So x is 10. It means the point will be 10, 0. And then to find the y-intercept, put x is equal to 0. Okay. Put x is equal to 0. What will be 3 into 0 plus 2y equal to 30. So finally 2y will be 30 and y will be 30 over 2, yani 15. So the point is 0, 15. Okay, where is the point 10, 0? This is the point 10, 0. Where is 0, 15? 0, 15 is here. This one is 0, 15. And I will join them to draw and make sure inequality is less equal, so will be solid. If it will be only less or only greater, then it should be dotted. So this is the inequality number 3 that we draw. And this inequality is 3x plus 2y less equal to 30. Now it's time to shade the solution region. And for shading the solution region, you know what we do for shading the solution region. First of all, this one is less than 10. It means solution region will be in this direction, yes? For this one. Okay, I will use the black color for this one, just to show that this will be the solution region for this one. Okay, this everything under this one will be is solution region. Then I will check for this line, which is y less equal to x. So basically what I will do, I will try any point on this side or any point on this side. So I can't use 0, 0. The reason is the line is passing through 0, 0. I will choose any random point. So let me choose this point. This point is 5, 0. So if I will put 5, 0 in this one, mean x5, y0, what it will be? 0 less equal to 5, which is true. Yes, 0 is less than 5, although not equal, but at least it's less than 5. So solution region will be in the direction of that point. So this is a solution region. I would say this is a solution region. Under this line, the whole solution region is there. Now I have to check this one. To check this one again, I will choose any point. The line is here either on this side or on this side. So 0, 0 is the best point because 0, 0 is on this side. If I will put 0, 0 in this one, 0 plus 0 less equal to 30. Yes, it is true. It means its solution region is on this side. This one is its solution region. So what you have to do, this was your solution region will be the one which was colored every 3 times. So every 3 times only this region was colored. This is your region. The rest of all you. So erase that one and shade everything else. Shade everything else there. This is actually the solution region R. And these are its corner points. This one is the corner point, this one is the corner point, and this one is the corner point. Now the question is, he makes $40 profit on each basket he sells and $28 profit on each mat he sells. Calculate the maximum profit he can make. Now this is the equation, that is, if he is making the number of baskets, he is making X baskets and Y mats. Yes, using X baskets for basket X and Y mats. For he makes $40 profit on each basket. Okay, it means if he is making X baskets, so the profit is 40X, and then he is selling Y mats, and for each mat the profit is 28, so it will be 28Y. So the total profit function will be this one, 40X plus 20Y. That is the profit function. Now you have to find the maximum profit. For finding the maximum profit, you will put the corner point. This corner point is 6, sorry. This corner point is 10, 0, and this corner point is 0, 0. So on which corner point the profit will be maximum? Put each corner point. I will check with 6, 6. What will be the profit? Profit will be 40 into 6 plus 28 into 6. Can you calculate, please?
Sir, it's 408.
$408. Okay, check with the 10, 0. Because for each, I will check what is the profit. Profit is 40 into 10 plus 28 into 0. That will be 400. And then check with 0, 0. Obviously with 0, 0, it will be 0. So when is the maximum profit? Maximum profit is $408. $408 is the maximum profit. So you need to make first the profit function, because he is selling total X baskets. For one basket, the profit is 40. For 2, 2 into 40. So for X will be X into 40. And he is selling 28 mats. For one mat, the profit is $28. For 2 is 28 into 2. For 3, so on. So for Y will be, and total will be basket plus mats. So this is the way to make the profit function. Sometimes profit function is given and sometimes you need to make the profit function or anything for the question. And this one is now number 7 from the geometry. This is north. When north, obviously bearing will be used. The diagram shows the position of point ABC in the field. Show that BC is this one correct to 1 decimal place. So we need to find BC actually. So if I will take the triangle ABC, this is A opposite to A, this is B, this is C. So which rule I can use here? Cosine rule is best, because you are finding a side opposite to the angle you know already in the other two sides. So use the sine rule, cosine rule. By cosine rule, what is according to the cosine rule? A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos of A, because you are using A, so angle should be A. Just put the values, and then what will be A, because we need to find the side A, so you can even take the square root. Remove the square, that will be square root on the other side. Put the values. What is B? B is 115 meter. 115 square plus C. What is C? C is 80 meter. Minus 2 into B is 115 into C is 80. And then cos of A, angle A is 72 degree. Can you please calculate with the calculator?
Sir, it is 118.806. 118.06.
118.06 meters. So we have to round to 1 decimal place. So rounding to 1 decimal place will be 118.1 meter. And look, this was asked to prove. That we proved. And then part B is calculate the angle ABC. Mean angle B. This angle we have to find. Okay, we can use sine rule here. If I use B over sine B and A over sine A, if I use this rule, using sine rule, I can say B over sine B is equal to A over sine. I'm not using C because I need angle C for that one. I have now A, so this one I can easily find angle B. Just put the values. What is B? B is 115 over sine of B that I need to find, because angle ABC means the middle angle you need to find. Will be equal to A we found right now is 118.1 over sine of 72. So cross multiply. When you will cross multiply, so you are going to get it 118.1 into sine B equals 115 into sine 72. So from here I will get sine of B as 115 into sine 72 over 118.1, and then what will be angle B? Sine inverse. And then finally when you will calculate more accurate value, you will get 72 divided by 118.1. Yes.
67.8.
67.83.
3.
Angle always is to 1 decimal place, okay? So 67.8 degree. We found the angle. And then number C is saying the bearing of C from A is 147. Okay, the bearing of C from A, this one. Because you know, the word is from, C from A. So after from is A, so you will take the north on A and then join the lines between C and A, the angle in the clockwise direction, this one. This is given 147. It's given to us already. Find the bearing of A from B. I have to find the bearing of A from B. A from B. So I should take the north on B. Yes. This is the north. So bearing of A from B, so this angle I need to find. Oh, sorry. Angle with the line in the clockwise direction. I need to find this angle. Okay, to find this angle, I need to find this angle. This already I have. We found it right now. Angle B, which was, we found it 67.8. We have this one 67.8. So to find this one, I will first find this angle. Let me choose another color. Yes, I will first find this angle. To find this angle, use the property, you know, between the two north. Obviously, if this line north is parallel to north, and what is this angle? Only this angle, because total is 147. So what will be the remaining? 147 minus 72. 75. So it is 75 degree. Yes. Now what should be? This is 75. So this total should be 180. So what it should be? 105. It means this angle is 105 degree. So the total angle around should be 360. So if you have to find this one will be 360 minus this simply. So the angle will be 360 minus the rest of the work. Even if you showed, it will be obvious that 105 minus 67.8. That will be the bearing. Just calculate it.
187.2.
187.2. You can round to 3 significant even, or let it be approximately 187. Now B from C, bearing of B from C. B from C, it means you need to take the north on this one. This is north. And then which angle you need to find? You need to find this angle. Because the angle between their line, this angle you need to find. Okay, it will be easy. First try to find the whole angle C. What will be whole angle C? I will write here. Angle C will be, what will be angle C? It will be 180 minus 72 minus 67.8, because it is in the triangle, yes. So I found the full angle C. That will be, what is the full angle C?
40.2.
40.2 degrees. Okay, out of this 40.2, now what I will do, I will find this one. I will just find this angle. Now again, this is north. Yes, this is north, and this is the line. This is actually point A, this is point C, and we know this total angle is 147. So what will be this one then? Total should be 180. So it means it will be 33. Yes. So this one only is 33 because total should be 180 between them. And this total C is 40.2. So it means what will be the bearing of B from C?
7.2.
B from C. You will do 40 minus 40.2 minus 33. So 7.2. And bearing is always a 3-place angle. So you can write 0, 7.2 degree. So 3 places must be there. And then number D is Michelle takes 35 seconds to run from A to C. Okay, time taken to run from A to C. From A to C, the time taken is 35 seconds. This is time. Calculate his average running speed in kilometers per hour. Now, what is the distance from A to C, first of all? The distance is 115 meters. You can see it is 115 meters. To find the average speed in kilometer per hour, first find the speed, average speed. What will be average speed? Total distance divided by total time. What that will be? 115 divided by 35. That will give you 3.3 2857 meter per second. But we need to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. So what is the rule for changing meter per second into kilometer per hour? We need to multiply with, if I have to, how to change the meter into kilometer per second. So it should be multiplied with 3600 divided by 1000, or just 36/10. So multiply it, whatever you got, multiply it with 3.6 directly, you can say multiply with 3.6. So finally it will be 11. No. I'm changing meter.
It is
Yes.
425.82. But isn't it? Oh, it's a big value though.
3600 over 1000, you multiplied, what you are getting? 400.
425.8.
Everyone can check, confirm. Let me open my other calculator app.
35.
1 second. 3.28.
No, wait, 3600 divided by 1000. So that would be 11.8.
It's coming 11.8 kilometer per hour. Okay. Check I use the correct rule. Let me see how I change meter into kilometer. I will divide by 1000. And how I change second into hour, I should multiply, I should divide by 3600. So if it is meter per second, it means it will be, I will divide it, it will become divide with 1000 over divide with 3600. But when I will make it multiply, it will become 1 over 1000, and this one will become 1 over 3600. So yeah, it is correct. That's it. This hope you can remember. And calculate the shortest distance from B to AC. Shortest distance is always perpendicular distance. Keep in mind. So if you have to find the shortest distance from B to AC, it means what you need to do is you will draw a perpendicular. This perpendicular means this is 90 degrees. Let's say this is P. So if you will consider this triangle BPC, it will look like this one triangle.